My name is John Constable. I'm a Principal System Administrator at the Wellcome Sanger Institute. Sanger uses genome sequencing technology and research to explore the impact of human genome on wider scientific knowledge, and was famously part of the sequencing 1/3 of human genome originally. Sanger has used iRODS, I think, for about 14 years now. So we have 3 use cases at Sanger, really, that we're actively using it for. The first one is for us in IT to be able to manage the petabytes worth of data in a way that is manageable, that we can actually kind of maintain with a relatively small number of system administrators. There's myself full-time and another person half-time. Then we have the use case of the pipelines who put data into our system, and that is usually all the data that comes off the sequences or data that comes off the research, and that is then uploaded into iRODS with a whole load of metadata tags. And then we have the end users, the scientists, who take the data that is in iRODS, find it by the metadata tags, download it onto our compute clusters, and do their original groundbreaking research. I think there was changing expectations over years as well. When we first deployed iRODS, a lot of our end users were extremely technical, writing algorithms directly on HPC clusters, the kind of people who would be writing C code natively. And increasingly these days, we're finding that there are people turning up people who they're either they're wet labs or they're bioinformaticians. They're very experienced with their tools, but they don't want to learn another tool. They just want to get their data and get on with the analysis that they're doing. And in that case, using the I commands isn't always the most friendly way of doing this for them. So we're looking at different approaches there, and we're trying to work with the different informaticians as to what's the best ways that we can help them get to their science faster. Over the last year, we've really embraced some of the plugins that are available for iRODS, and we've been implementing a number of these. So something that I do enjoy about being part of the iRODS community is that it's a very friendly, open and engaged space. You feel you can talk openly about your experiences with not only the other consortium members and people who attend conferences, but also the developers and the people who work directly with and develop iRODS.